Now look, for many young people, it's a real challenge when it comes to money and personal finances. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you all the things I've learned over the last 30 years and that I wish I'd known when I was 21. Not in your 20s? Don't worry. I've got a video just for you if you feel like you've missed the boat financially and you need to make up time. Check it out here. I'm Jason Butler, and I'm one of the UK's most experienced and best qualified personal finance experts. I'm a chartered financial planner, but I've also got over 30 years experience of both learning my own lessons of life and also advising and working with other people and helping them learn theirs. Money is neither good nor bad. It's just a means of exchange that enables you to buy the things that you want and you need. And if you've got unhelpful beliefs that money is bad or evil, then that's going to really hold you back. And you need to change those beliefs, which you probably picked up from childhood and your early years. Number two is it's quite normal to worry about money. But what you've got to avoid doing is becoming obsessive and letting it dominate all of your waking hours and thinking. Three, while money can alleviate sadness and give you choices and a better quality of life, on its own, it can't make you happy and fulfilled. 4, don't judge your success on how much you earn, you've accumulated, or you can spend compared to other people. There will always be someone else who's got more than you, and so therefore that's a loser's game. Number 5, develop good money habits and behaviours in your 20s, because that will set you up for the rest of your life and define your relationship with money. 6, be clear what you can and you can't control. You can't control the economy, you can't control stock markets, you can't control tax rates. But what you can control is how you respond to things, how much you save, how much you spend, and how much you earn. 7, take full responsibility for the financial consequences of your financial related decisions and actions. Don't confuse good luck with great skill, and don't confuse bad luck with being stupid. Number 8, think long term. The chances are you're probably going to live to 100, and therefore you're going to need to accumulate a lot more financial assets than your mum and dad did. The good news is you've got much longer time to actually work, earn, save, invest, and let that money grow. 9, I know it's much harder to earn a really decent income these days due to technological innovation and globalization. But the good news is it's never been easier to start businesses, to develop skills, to be able to sell your services around the world. So always look to be improving your skills, your employability, and the value that you can bring to the world. Number 10, over the very long term, buying a home makes good sense because it's a form of enforced savings. But don't be in a rush to buy a house if you're not ready to buy one, or you could use the deposit money to start a business which could make you a lot of money. And if you do buy a house, make sure that you're not spending more than about a quarter of your household income on paying back the mortgage and all the associated housing costs, because otherwise it's going to be harder for you to get ahead financially. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe. Number 11, when you're young, the very best investment you can make is in yourself, in improving your skills, your knowledge, your capability. Because at the end of the day, the world doesn't stand still, so neither should you. Number 12, choose your life partner very carefully, and also choose very carefully who you hang out with in terms of friends and colleagues. Because people who have a very hedonistic outlook or are spendthrifts can actually draw you into destructive behaviours which are not good for your financial well-being. 13, avoid all non-mortgage debt, because all it will do is hold you back. Hey, make sure you check out my other video on how I took on the Inland Revenue and won a £500,000 tax rebate. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.